Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Quite interesting movement we have that the price line is still moving in this rising wedge pattern and again at the support and testing the support again. Previously we had the test here and here and here, and recently the price line is again testing the support here as well. And in today's video we will try to analyze whether the price line will break down the support or it will break out the resistance of this rising wedge. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas I am sharing here on the daily basis, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. Let's start from the 4-hourly time frame chart first. And here we can notice that price line, since it has started this rally, it is using the EMA 10 and 21. This blue one is EMA 10 and this red one is the exponential moving average 21, and this green one is 50 simple moving average. And the price line is using these EMAs, sometimes the 50 simple moving average as a support. Like here the price action used the EMA 10 and 21 as a support. Here used the EMA 10, and here the price line used the EMA 10 and 21 both as a support, moved up. And here for a while the price action broke down the simple moving average 50 and the exponential moving averages 10 and 21 both. And here we have another retest. And here we have the test of the 50 simple moving average. And here recently we have the test of the 50 simple moving average. And right now here the price action is again testing the simple moving average 50 on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And on the daily time frame we have this very big rising wedge pattern. Technically this is the bearish reversal pattern. However, we have so many supports. For example, we have this very nice support of 200 simple moving average, and the price line right now is testing the support of this rising wedge and this 200 simple moving average at the same time. But the more important thing that we have the small time frame moving averages moving to the upside, and every small time frame moving average is forming the bull crosses with the bigger time frame. Like we have here the 25 crossed up the 50 simple moving average, then here the 25 crossed up the 100 simple moving average, and now it is moving up to cross up the 200 simple moving average as well. And here you can see that we are expecting this bull cross between the 50 and 100 very soon. The 100 simple moving average is moving down and 50 simple moving average is moving up. And whenever the smaller time frame moving average crosses up the bigger time frame moving average, we know that produces a rally towards the upside. But the real bull cross we all are waiting for between the 50 and the 200 simple moving averages, that is also called a golden cross as well. And after this golden cross we will be officially re-entered in the long-term bull run of Bitcoin. And once we will have the smallest time moving average, the 25 above all, then 50, then 100 and 200 below all other moving averages, that will be another open alligator mouth formation by the simple moving averages. That is a very strong support for the price line and a very strong signal for the long-term move towards the upside. Like previously we had this signal here. We can see that here the 25 moved above all, then we had the 50, then 100 and then 200, and after this open alligator mouth formation we had a very long term rally towards the upside. And today we have received another very powerful long-term buying signal that I was telling you in my previous video as well, that I'm waiting for this signal, and that is the bull cross between the exponential moving average 10 and exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame chart. Every single time whenever we have received this signal between this bull cross between the EMA 10 and 21, after that a very long-term rally has been started. Like for example, previously we received this bull cross here after the drop of March 2020. We received this bull cross here and we had a very powerful move towards the upside. Before that we received this bull cross here. That was another very powerful rally, but after that we had this drop of March, and that was an exceptional drop, and again the price action eventually moved up. And before that we received this bull cross here back here Let me show you the previous bull cross between the exponential moving average 10 and 21. Here we received the bull cross in October 2015, and a very long-term rally for more than 2 years was started and ended here in 2018. And we had an exceptional situation back in 2014 when we received this bull cross here in 2014 after the ending of this bull run, and the move toward the long-term move towards the upside was not started. If we just exclude this situation, this is an exceptional situation back in 2014 because that was the ending of the bull run. Then every single time you can open up the charts and you can place the EMA 10 and 21 on the weekly time frame, and you can check yourself that every single time whenever we have received this bull cross, a very long-term rally has been started. And today we have received this huge historical signal, the bullish or buying signal on the weekly time frame. Yes, on the smaller time frame, like on the daily time frame, we can have some corrections, like if the price line will break down the support and the support of the 200 simple moving averages, then we can have a correction. Technically, the price action can even move at the support of this rising wedge, but the movement of the simple moving averages on the daily time frame is telling us that it is not possible that the price line, there is a very less probability that the price line will move to this support of this rising wedge, because we have the support of the 25, 150 simple moving averages, and every single small time simple moving average is forming the bull cross with the bigger time frame simple moving averages. That is a very strong support for the price line, and we are expecting a golden cross between the 50 and 200. And the real move always starts before the bull cross or the death crosses as well. Like previously we saw that this was the death cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving average, but when this 50 simple moving average started moving down and this 200 simple moving average was moving up, before this death cross we have seen that this very strong bearish rally towards the downside was started. And when we received this death cross, we did not see that much powerful bullish bearish move like we previously we have seen before this death cross. Same as like that, we can see it is happening right now. Like this 50 simple moving average has started moving towards the upside to form a golden cross with 200 simple moving average. And before this golden cross, we can see that this rally has been started. Therefore, it can be a long-term rally. However, we are having very nice support of 200 simple moving average, and the price line right now is testing again the 200 and the support of this rising wedge pattern as well. Therefore, even though this is a bearish reversal pattern, however, this time it is possible that the price line will break out the resistance rather to break down this support. And on the long term, I'll again repeat it, that this is a very powerful long-term buying signal is appeared for the long-term traders. And now we can expect a long-term rally. And now we can also see very soon that the price line will also break out this final resistance of $64,000 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And do support me at the Patreon for more ideas on the daily basis. I've shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.